Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can integrate ChatGPT with your Gmail. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, log in to your Gmail account, and from the Gmail homepage, we are going to go to the right panel and click on this Get Add-ons icon. And then, on the search bar, we're going to search GPT and type enter. On the numerous options available, we will click on GPT for Gmail. And then click on Install. Google will then ask us to choose an account. So let's choose the account that you wish to use. And then give it permission for the following. Wait for a few seconds for your download to finish. Once your download is finished, from the homepage, you can see that GPT for Gmail is now available for use. And that's it. So, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!